Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to integrate independent HTML pages. Ultimately, once we are going to creating independent HTML pages, we have to prepare a menu item, and that menu item should be reflect in all the HTML pages. When the user is getting a link to clicking to open another page and he wants to get back to reach home, like we can simply say that it is a navigation road map, how he is going to be making by clicking some other pages, and how whenever he wants to reach a home, or whenever he wants to reach some other contact us page, or any services page, any products page, or any products which is already he bought and something. Likewise, the navigation part should be perfect to be reflect in your web page and web project. Once the user he wants to go some around the web page and he thoughts that yes, I want to log out something, you want to display a logout page readily available to display at the home, top of the pages. Likewise, and if you want to go some around home, yes, you can click to, but you have to always display the home. This is the way you have to prepare the navigation. Like as much easy of your navigation along with the search. If he doesn't know and if he doesn't find anything what he wants to know from your site, you always try to put it as in a search bar. Then he can type him the search and he'll find out the what he want to available in his site or not he will find, and based on that link he'll go there. Okay, very simple navigation of a menu items to putting all together in a single place. I'm displaying how it is by using nav tag nav tag to make it as in all the links to be perfectly you can prepare at a single page, and apply these same nav tag to all the HTML pages at the top, where you will get all the menu items with all the pages which you have independently prepared. And always be like a menu item will always be displayed to the user whenever he wants to move some around. He'll click the simply by seeing the menu link item and he'll go there. All right, the navigation should be perfect. See, by making the nav bar, using the nav tag, we can write the a links. That's it. See, a link, and I can say that first link it is in home. I may specify this by specifying the internal page of index.html. That's it. And my second page it would be might be about us. Yes, by pressing the tab, taking the internal page about.html. It may be PHP. You can change this file name of the file extension. That's it. Rest of the things as it is same. AB for UT about. And one more link I can write here called services dot html services, and one more thing I'm taking as products dot html. You have to specify, always try to use all the small letters. There is no confusion around products. Once the products is completed, I can specify here like a link, tab it, contact.html, contact. That's it. And also you have to specify it's on a local files only. If you want to make a link to go somewhere around, you can specify the website URL. That's it. Automatically he go and he'll approach the page. Save this form and refresh. See, my menu items are ready here. Likewise, all you are putting creating the things of HTML pages. We shouldn't tell the user to type the page here itself in the browser. He'll give and he'll just type the domain name of the website. Once the website is loaded, we'll load the page like this. When he clicks the home page, he'll be redirecting some around like this. Page is not available, so it is redirecting about page, services page, products page, like a contact us page. All will be like this, and you can also apply by visualizing cascading styles of making the button, color, and gradients, all you can apply to all these forms. For all this, we'll see in one by one in upcoming lectures how to beautification of our web page, and all you will see. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.